Hi friends, this is Meredith with Organic Lines Art and Design, and this is my second video in my series for glimmers. So if this is the first video you're watching, a glimmer is a teeny tiny nanosecond of joy that sparks through your system when you observe something through one of your senses that really excites you, or maybe it brings you peace or de-stresses you. But in some way, it sparks your system to be in a more positive and healthy way. So in this video, we are going to be working with sight. So today we are focusing on the sense of sight. And what we're doing is we're going to utilize something that many of us do all the time, which is just scroll through our feed on Facebook or Instagram or social media of some type. And what we're doing is we're going to reprogram our social media feed to continue to bring up little glimmers for us. So whenever you see some kind of a positive phrase or little mantra or something like it, and then more and more will continue to come to you. So my feed is filled with all of these amazing little sayings and positive messages. And what I've done is I've just printed some of them out, and you just cut it out. And what we're going to do is we are going to add them to our little Glimmers journal that we made in the video before. So now that you have your sweet little positive phrase, you can do a fun little art page and fill up, or at least add to your journal, your Glimmers journal, with some of these fun little mantras that you find on your social media. So Well, thank you for joining me with our Glimmers video on our sense of sight coming from social media prompts that might pop up in your feed. And like I said, the more you like those positivity prompts, the more they will come into your feed, just like glimmers coming into your life.